Hello student of standard 7, lesson number 11. Okay. Lesson number 11, exercise 11.3. Okay. Today we are going to see circumference. What is circumference? The boundary of any circle or circular object is known as circumference of circle. In short, perimeter of circle is known as circumference. We will not say it's perimeter, but okay. Now, if you will see according to the diagram, okay, the boundary of cricket ground or the rope of the cricket ground, this is known as the circumference. It has one center. This is A. So OA is radius. Okay. R means radius. XY is diameter. It is now diameter. Okay. This is R. This is R. Diameter is R plus R, that means D is equal to 2R. This is the formula of diameter. Now there is one term, that is pi. Okay, it's Greek word pi. Its pronunciation is pi. Its value is constant, 22/7 or 3.14. Okay, whenever R is given 7, 14. So in the question you will not be asked to take pi, you have to take the pi as 22/7, or when you are asked to take pi is equal to 3.14, then value of pi or diameter will be 10, 20, 15, or it will be round figures. That you have to go through this video again and again. You will understand what I want to tell. Okay. Now, example we'll see circumference, how to find formula of finding circumference is 2 pi r when radius is given and when diameter is given. We have to use this formula. Circumference is equal to pi. These are the two formula. When radius is given, you have to take this 2 pi r, and when diameter is given, you have to take pi d. Now, why pi d? We know that d is 2r. D is 2r. 2 into r means d. And explaining with example. Example 1. Find circumference of circle with radius 7 cm. Okay. R is 7 cm. circumference is 2 pi r. You have to take pi like this. 2 into value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 7. 7 cut 22 to the 44 centimeters. This is the answer. Okay. Answer is 22 to the 44. This way you have to find. Is that clear? Now I'll explain next example. Find circle with diameter 21 centimeter. Okay, here the diameter is 21 centimeter. Circumference is pi d. This is pi and this is d. Why we are using pi d? Because diameter is given 21 centimeter. We know that diameter is equal to 2 into r. Instead of 2r we will use d. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 into diameter is 21. So 7 1 is 7 3 is 3 2 is 6 3 2 is 6 centimeter. This is the circumference of circle. This is first example. When radius is given 7 centimeter, we have used 2 pi r, and when diameter is given, we have used pi d. Now example 3. Find circumference of circle when radius is 10 centimeter, pi is equal to 3.1. Okay, now your radius is given 10 centimeter, pi is 3.14, circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into pi, what is the value of pi? 3.14 into radius is 10. Now to remove this decimal, what we will use? See, 2 pi r, 2 into 3.14. To remove the decimal, we will put 100 because there are two digits after decimal. Into radius is 10, 0 0 cut. 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6 upon 10. 62. There is one decimal. That means 62.8 centimeter. This way you can solve this sum. Next example I am explaining. Say find circumference of circle when diameter is 30 centimeter, pi is 1.34. Circumference is pi d, that means pi is 3.14 into d is 30. To remove this decimal, we'll put 100 here and 0 cut. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 and 4, 3 3s are 9 upon 10, 94.2 centimeter is the circumference. Like this you can solve. Okay, first question of exercise 11.3 is same. You have to solve this home. This is homework. I am explaining now area of circle. Okay. Example. Find the area of circle with radius 7 centimeter. See, before explaining this, I will explain what is area of circle. We know that area, any space occupied. Suppose see this is the base of a glass, which its shape is in circular shape. If you put here, okay, if you put here and draw a circle like this, okay, it will be circular object, and the base is known as the space occupied by any object is known as area of circle. Okay, the space occupied by any circular object, then that space is area, that is known as, then that space is known as area of circle. Okay, area of circle is formula is pi r square. Okay, this is pi r square. Example was there. I am explaining. See, find the area of circle with radius 7 centimeter. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. Area of circle is pi r square. Square means 2 times pi. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. It is not given in the question, so we have to take 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 7 cut. 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14 and 154 centimeter square. Area of circle. Okay, this is the answer. This way you can solve. Next example. I am explaining next example here. Example 2 of this. Okay, find area of circle with radius 10 centimeter. Pi is 3.14. We know that r is 10 centimeter. Pi is 3.14. Area of circle is pi r square. Pi, value of pi is 3.14 into r square means 2 times you have to write r square. That means to remove the decimal we write 3.14. That means 314 upon 100 into 10 into 10. 0 cut. 314 centimeter square. This is the answer. Is that clear? Next example I am explaining. Okay. Find area of circle with diameter 40 cm. Okay, pi is 3.14. Here diameter is given 40 centimeter. We know that pi is 3.14. Area of circle is pi r square, where r is not given. So whenever diameter is given, you have to find r. R is equal to d upon 2, 40 upon 2, 2 is the 2, 20 is the. So pi is 314, that is 3.14, into radius is 20 into 20. To remove the decimal, we write 100 here, 0, 0, 0, 0 cut. 340 into 2, 2 is the 4, 4, 4 is the 16, 4 1 is the 4 and 5, 4 3 is the 12 centimeter square. Like this you have to solve. You can do question number 1 and question number 2 from your textbook. If you have not followed, you can call us. I'll explain. This is the homework for you. Okay, student? Take care.